farmers are market. Problems of farmers, price fluctuations, middlemen and exploitations, lack of market information, transportation and logistics, market restrictions and transactions. Coming to price fluctuation, the farmers are affecting on supply and demand. When there is more demand, there is a less price on the crop, and when there is more demand, the price is more, but there is no sufficient yield. And climate, and coming to weather and climate, by the weather and climate, the crop is more damaged. To solve these, farmers have to do crop diversification, to get more profits, and to do contract farming. Middlemen and exploitation. Effects on farmers: low prices and fixed prices. The middlemen are asking to farmers with low prices and fixed prices, and they are collecting high commissions.
What I said, do it.
Middlemen and exploitation. Farmers are effects on farmers: low prices and fixed prices. The middlemen are collecting the crop with low prices and fixed price, and they are collecting high commissions and delayed payments from giving the farmers. To solve these to the farmers, farmers has to direct to consumers and use the technology. Lack of market information. The farmers don't know how to market the crop. Effects on farmers. Unaware of market price. They don't know how the best price where the best price comes, and they are depending on middlemen due to lack of market information. To solve these problems, farmers has used to digital platforms like central apps, and to do agri-tech startups. Transportation and logistics. These effects on farmers. Poor rural infrastructure. There is no proper roads to transport the crop to the crop, and the transportations are collecting high transportation costs. To solve these, the government has to do the better rural roads and infrastructure, and start the transportation services with low costs. Government policies and market restrictions. Minimum support price and crop insurance solution to farmers, market evaluations and increasing supervision. Thank you.